Can probably say I'm doing good.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janessa and this is Jeneschoice. This is Jeneschoice. Thank you so much for hopping on this video. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. You've been doing so much for me, liking my videos, commenting, probably sharing as well. I appreciate all of that. Thank you so much. Please, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Jenes family. It's lit here. I'm telling you, it's lit here. I'm going to be linking below a couple of my videos that I already did. Watch that and then, you know, let's just keep flowing and growing and sliding together. Of course, I'm very excited about this video today. I have been wanting to put this video on my channel for a while now, but I just didn't know how to go about it. I'm happy that I found the strategy and I'm happy that I'm bringing this out to you. You know, I'll be helping a lot of you who have certain difficulties as well. Maybe you want to start up your business or you're already in your business, whatever difficulty you're facing. If it's same as the difficulties I face as well, you know, I'm just going to be spilling all that out on this entrepreneurial series. That's what I'm going to call it. So this is entrepreneurial series 101. I'm going to just show you some of my products right now. I do sell handmade glosses. I make the glosses myself, and of course in my entrepreneurial video I'll be showing you how I make my glosses. And also I sell lashes. This is just a few. Of course I can't just show everything on here right now because I'll have a separate video for that where I'm going to show you how I pack my inventory, where I pack my inventory, and all of that. And yes, all of my stuff comes from China. And my lip glosses, I make them myself, so the scents and certain stuff, not everything comes from China, of course. I'll probably tell you a few tips and tricks on how to start your business, where to get your products, giving you some vendors and all of that. Yeah, so this will be entrepreneurial series 101. I'm just going to be telling you a few, you know, how I started my business and all of that. And how did I start my business? Moving into it, how did I start my business? 2019, after I finished from college, and you know, I decided that I wanted to go for a job before continuing my education. I decided, okay, you know what, let me see how the work life looks like. Let me near it. That's how we'll say in my country. So let me spy, let me check on it a little bit and see how it works so I can know my next step for the future. And yeah, it wasn't easy. It has not been easy. It wasn't easy. It was not what I expected. I thought, you know, when you start working, you're making money, blah, blah, blah. The amount looks reasonable, right? But guess what? Saving that money is not easy. I mean, I worked for like 6 months my first year. I literally didn't save much. I didn't save nothing. I'm just saying this because, you know, I'm just spilling out my tea out here. I saved as much as my laptop, the price of my laptop. So literally what I saved, I used it to buy my laptop. Can you imagine? I've been saving for 6 months and I'm like, what? So if I literally have to depend on my job, I can't live my dream life. I cannot. And I've always had that business mindset since from back home before I came to Canada, because I live in Canada. So yep, if you're in Canada, don't forget to purchase from me. I'm going to put the link of my shop down in the description, and you always see that link in all of my videos. If you want to support me, please go right ahead. I can assure you that my products are, well, I hope you love my products. I know my products are good. I wear them all the time. Like, of course, the lip gloss I'm wearing, and this is in cocoa chocolate noir. You can get that on my website. So yeah, it was so hard, and I was like, I've always been wanting to start business, right? What I always wanted to own was a boutique. This isn't in line with boutique, you know. but I had to start with something that I could deal with, something that I felt like it won't be so difficult, so stressful, because I still have a lot in life going on. So I was like, okay, let's start with this. Let's look for something that's going to be a solution to other people and something that I can work with. I went out, I did a lot of research in my mind, trying to find what I could work with. I came up with makeup. I love makeup. I'm not the best makeup artist, as you can see. I'm not, but I know my face. That's what's important, and I know what makes me look cute. I know what enhances my beauty, because that's what makeup symbolizes for me. I just want to enhance my beauty, not look crazy, So yeah, I thought about a few things, and then I did my research. I came up with makeup. I wanted to do lip stains, and then I discovered, oh shit, people do make lip glosses, because I already had the idea for my lashes. That was okay, but I was like, oh my, people do lip glosses. I just wanted to get them wholesale, but I was like, I can literally do them myself. I'm connected to my glosses, and my customers will be connected to them as well. It's like, we're building a community, we're building something here, my friends. We're building something. So I came up with my own consistency after doing a lot of tries. Came up with my own consistency, and I can probably say I'm doing good. Please, I'm doing good. Okay, I'm doing good. So yeah, one day I just woke up. I'm like, boom, I need to get this, because I had so much anxiety. I didn't know decision making is kind of difficult for me. The next step is kind of making the decision to take a next step. It's quite difficult for me in particular. So yeah, that was me there. I just woke up one day, I'm like, I've already done all the research. I've done this, I've done that, I've done that. What is keeping you here, Janessa? And I'm like, boom, let's get into it. Let's get into it. And immediately I got into it. I ordered the stuff. I started doing whatever. I started my business with literally $700. I would say that's a lot, because I bought so many things I didn't need. I'm just going to show you one of it right now. One moment, please. I got this. This is supposed to be a photo shoot booth for small products like so, but of course it didn't work for me. Not everything works for you. That's the first thing I'd like to say in this my entrepreneurial journey. Not everything that other businesses use will work for you, so you need to go with it gradually. I spent that much, and I felt like I wasted so much capital, because I went in for things that I'd seen. Oh, it's a small business, you should get this, you should get that, you should get this, you should get that. Nah, sis, nah. Go for what works for you. You need to go gradually and research. Of course, you waste some money along the way trying stuff that wasn't meant for you anyways. You have to just drop it and look for the next stuff. Or if you want to keep trying, you keep trying. So yeah, literally that was how I came up with my business. I bought the stuff and I started my business. I launched my website on the 21st of November of 2019. And here I am today. I had so many plans for 2020, but then coronavirus came. I almost gave up, but business is my dream. It's my dream. I'll probably do another video where I'll tell you how I did business back home in Cameroon. The little things that I did. That's what keeps me going right now. I'm not doing it for the money. It's something that I love to do, and I have bigger dreams. Right now I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, because the money doesn't reside in your comfort zone. My brothers and my sisters, yep, it doesn't reside in your comfort zone. So you need to get out of that comfort zone. So in my entrepreneurial journey, you'll be seeing a lot of stuff from me. And yeah, that will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to put my business in front of your eyes, like, see me. Yeah, see me. Here's my logo. I'm going to put it throughout the video, so it sticks in your mind. You know what I mean? Yep. Thank you so much for jumping on this video. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. We're building our little community here. Oh my god, I'm so happy to have you in my videos. I'm so happy that you're watching this video right now. You've given your time into this video, which pleases me a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you a million times. I appreciate you so much. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends. I want to know what your problems are. I'm interested in your problems with your business. If I can have a solution for you, I'll give you. I'm not a business consultant. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it confused. But if it's issues that I've encountered, I can give you certain solutions of how I was able to get through it. And also on my channel, I do skincare review and body care review. If you're interested in fragrance, skincare, perfume and all of that. Yep, sis, it's right here. It's right here. It's lit over here. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Join the Jenes family. Hey. I'm going to do my best to be posting videos 3 times each week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and this will come to the end of my video. Bye bye.